Okay, we're up here now at this fixture in question. The sunlight's kind of blocking it, but you can see there's a ballast sitting over here in the corner. It's not necessarily touching anything. But then there's the factory ballast that somebody attempted to pull off, struggled with it, left it alone, left the old capacitor that's over here mounted in the factory spot. All the connectors, the speed connectors, the quick connects, you got wires up here that are disconnected, just left willy-nilly. There's burn marks up on the shield as if wires are sitting in here loose. And then you have a lonesome dove capacitor just sitting over here, cut, not doing anything, with a pile of burnt up duct seal on it. Extra wires laying around. And then this supposedly is the functional capacitor over here, just sitting here by itself. Very poor maintenance job. I don't know who's been working on these lights, but this is why your ordinary guys that are just running work to be doing something and they don't know what they're doing and they really don't care about the quality of their work, it's not giving the service that's supposed to be done. Now, the other thing I'd like to point out with these fixtures is there's a collar bracket back here, an extension bracket. Somebody has installed these fixtures, whether it was the engineer to begin with, decided they were going to do two parallel fixtures sticking out in the front. And what they did was they bolted a collar extension on this pole and then two parallel arm brackets off the side. These fixtures, as I hold this camera level here, you can see that they are leaning down at one hell of a pitch. And they're bent, and they're probably at a good 10 or 12 degree pitch from the pole. They're all bent and leaning down. You can get a better view from down on the ground, but it's just really a poor design, not well thought out, a lot of weight, and these fixtures are not gusseted from the factory from Lithuania. They're a good manufacturing company. But I will say this gusseting in here and all this aluminum through here doesn't have the structure that it needs to keep these fixtures and the weight of it mounted to these poles and all the stress back through here directed down at the pole. Now, is it going to hop off and fall down? No. But is it crooked and does it look like terrible from the ground? Yes, it does. So anyway, we're going to repair this fixture, put it all back like it's supposed to be, mount the ballast where it goes, put the capacitor where it's supposed to go, put a fresh lamp in it, make sure there's no amperage or voltage problems, make sure we have all of our voltage. Looks like the wires that are in here coming in are good. You got a black, a white, and a green. The black's 277, the white's 277. That just happens to be the fixture colors that they provide, but it is 480. 277 on each lead. So we'll wire it up, we'll get it going. Another good start here at Dealership Lighting Exchange at Honda of Bowie this morning.